Morning, I'm Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to make a very easy and fun flower charm pendant, pendant charm. And we're going to be getting started in just a second. We will be doing it in polymer clay, and it's a lot of fun. So if you could, please gently touch your flower to the like button. And let's get to it. Okay, we're going to get started here, but first I want to show you what we'll be using today. This is Sculpey 3 polymer clay, and I like it, but you can use other types of polymer clay, preferably the baked kind, so it doesn't shrink. And I use black because I like how the finishes look like it on it. And also we'll be using Pearl-Etched pigments in Reflex Violet and Antique Bronze. And we'll need a glue-on bail. This is to hang the pendant from the chain. I need a chain. And a cup of water with some small paintbrushes, like that. And a sharp knife might come in handy. And also, I like to work on a sheet of paper because if I need to press the clay on the paper, it won't stick to it. It won't stick to paper. So that works really good. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is roll really small balls of clay. Now, I should tell you that before starting, you should knead the clay like this, and it's called conditioning it. And it gets it all mixed up in there, and so that it sculpts and bakes well. And I do that usually until it's soft and pliable and warm to the touch, the temperature of my hands. So we roll a ball and flatten it out like this. So it looks like that. And then I just roll it kind of like that onto itself. And that makes the inside petal of the flower. And we'll get another ball of clay, roll it into a ball, flatten it out, and then on this side, where the two parts join, I roll it onto that. And you can see the flowers already coming together. And then we'll get another ball. Flatten it out. And then we'll come over here where this petal meets this petal here, and roll it on there. You can see it's coming together pretty quickly now. And you can make it as big or little as you want. And then I'll just put it on this side here. And you can kind of flare them out a little bit. Just press them out so they kind of look more like a flower. You see how that's coming together? Just be patient with yourself and take your time, especially if this is new for you. This is definitely a beginner's type project. So just take your time. think I'll put it here. I think I'll make one for the other side that I just, let me see. Right here. And I think I'll finish it there. Now I'm going to take my bail. This is a glue-on bail, and you can find these on Etsy, etsy.com, ETSY. And I'm just going to embed it in here. And then press the clay around it. So it'll hang like this. I'm just sort of smoothing it out and making sure the clay goes all the way around it. Kind of flattening out the back a little bit. Flaring out these leaves, so these petals here. So that's how it's going to look. Now you can take a small paintbrush and squeeze the water off of it. And you can paint it with the water to remove the fingerprints, like this. And you do the inside too, the petals. And just take your time and do that, get all the fingerprints out. Then I have the Reflex Violet Pearlix pigments in the lid here. And I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet, and I'm going to squeeze off the excess water. And get some on my brush. And then I'll dab it off a little bit and just paint it. It just makes it go on a little bit better. And when you bake it, the Reflex Violet and the bronze will be baked into the surface of the clay, so it'll be really nice. And then what I like to do, I have the antique bronze in this lid here, and I dip my finger in like this, get it on my finger, and then I swirl it with my thumb like that, and I just go over the petals, the edges of the petals. It makes it really, really pretty. And then I'm going to just make sure my bail is straight Make sure it's straight on there. So it's going to hang straight. And that's what it looks like. And you can you can bake it for about a half hour for a flower this size. Maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour at 275 degrees. So the way that you do that is you put it on an oven-safe dish, you preheat the oven for to 275 degrees, and then you put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you turn off the oven and open the oven door and just don't touch it until it's completely cool. It'll probably take about 15 minutes to cool, and then you can take it out. And that's how you make a flower pendant charm. Really fun, easy project, and be something pretty to wear or use as a gift. That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed that. Wow. It's a really fun project. It's very easy to do, and can make a great gift or just something that you can wear yourself. Definitely something to do, and yeah, you want to do it. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Please tell me what you think of the video, and if you're going to try it, I'd love to know. And if you do try it, please send me a photo. You'll find links to my Etsy shop and my Facebook page in the video description, along with the tool and supply list. And send me a picture. You can message me on either Facebook or Etsy, and you can send a picture there. So please share the video with your friends, and I think that's about it. I want to thank my patrons for supporting me, and if you'd like to learn more about becoming a patron for a small monthly pledge, you can find the link for my Patreon also in the video description for my Patreon account. If you haven't done this already, please gently touch your flower to the like button. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.